for them, I'm actually admiring them as they play.
The next performance is a drama performance from the high school section. The name of the drama performance is Betrayal. Let's clap for them as they come on stage.
So we clap for them until they come on stage. The theme of the drama for today is betrayal. This is what's actually happening in the society. Today, very many teenagers have issues that they are tackling. One of them is isolation. Another one is where the young kids are betraying one another based on so many other things. Let's please enjoy this drama. As we watch, we can also see the lesson and what they are trying to show us. So let's welcome them on stage.
Keep your big nose out of this. Look at yourself in the mirror first before saying that. What are you laughing at, you backstabber? Our argument is not over yet.
Yes, and that's why I'm here.
Well, if you must know, this snake I called my best friend started spreading lies and rumors about me. Everyone believe her.
Why are you calling a snake?
You, well,
No,
who
I'm
else?
not
You're
some
being
silly
a
guy
creature.
Okay, guys, stop. Actually.
You know what? You're not even accepting that you're wrong and you don't even want to apologize. I'm done with this. Our friendship is over.
Finally,
Okay.